Hello everyone, welcome to Tsinfo YouTube channel. This is Chandrika from Tsinfo Technologies. In this video tutorial, I will explain you how to use AND function in SharePoint Online list calculated column. Open your SharePoint site with your Microsoft credentials. This is my SharePoint site. Here I was taking one of my list to implement AND function in calculated column. This is the title column where I have renamed it to budget purpose, and this is the choice column type. Budget amount and used amount are the currency column types, and budget approver is the person column type. In AND condition, if all the given conditions are true, then it gives the output as true. If any one or more conditions are false, then it gives the output as false. Here I will create a SharePoint calculated column based on budget amount and used amount. So let's create a calculated column in the budget list. Click on add column. See all column types and click on next. In create column page, provide column name for the calculated column. Here I was giving it as capacity of budget and choose the data type as calculated. In the formula box of additional column settings, provide the formula like is equals to if open bracket and open bracket. Select the column names from the insert column box. Used amount, select this one and click on add to formula. After used amount, I was giving the conditions like greater than or equals to 500, comma. Here I have given used amount is greater than or equals to 500. That means in the budget list, the used amount should be greater than or equal to 500, or else the AND condition should not satisfy and gives the calculated column output as insufficient. And from the insert column box, select another column name, that is budget amount, and click on add to formula. Here I was giving the amount as greater than or equal to 5000. Budget amount should be greater than or equal to 5000. If it is less than 5000, then the AND condition should not satisfy and it will give the output in the calculated column as insufficient. In AND condition, both used amount and budget amount should satisfy the values. Otherwise, it won't give the output as sufficient in the calculated column. Now I was giving the values like in between the inverted commas, I was giving it as sufficient, comma, again open inverted commas, and in between the inverted commas, here I was giving it as insufficient, and close the open bracket. Scroll down and click on OK. Now the calculated column has been created in the budget list with AND condition. Click edit in grid view to create another item in the budget list. Click on add new item. Here I was giving it as agree loan. Budget type as surplus budget. In the budget amount, here I was giving it as 4000 and the used amount I was giving it as 600. Exit grid view. In the capacity budget of calculated column, it is displaying as insufficient because I have given in the budget amount it is 4000, which is less than 5000 I have given in the formula box of calculated column. Now I will edit this item to above 5000. Let's see what the changes we'll see here. Capacity budget. Click on edit in grid view and change the budget amount to 6000. Exit grid view. Now we can see in the capacity budget it is changed to sufficient from insufficient because here we have changed the value to 6000 from 4000. This is how to use AND conditions in SharePoint Online list calculated columns. For more free videos on SharePoint Online, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.